Hey guys, today I'll be unboxing the Nissan Titan Pro 4X. So the Nissan Titan is basically the same truck as the Nissan Navara as we know it here in Australia. So the model I've got here seems to be a 1x24 and it's made by Just Trucks. So as you can see, I bought this truck from Kmart for around $15. This pickup comes with some fitted accessories, and although they're made of plastic, they make the car look more vigorous. So this product is screwed onto the package, and unfortunately there's no suspension on this. I like how the design is quite aggressive. The front two doors are openable, unfortunately the other parts are not. So the interior is quite black and made of plastic. I just noticed that the door wobbles a bit, but then if you compare it to the price, then it's reasonable. And the interior is quite well detailed. Overall, this 2020 Nissan Titan Pro 4X is pretty cool and justifiable for its price. So like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching.